Good evening, and in this video I will share with you what did I learn today. So this is the biggest realization for me. Means for a long time, means it was my habit, and when I was doing some work, so that time I was doing it very uncautiously and unhappily. But today I promise to myself, means whatever I will do, whatever I will learn, so I will learn it very clearly. Many more time I started grammar rule and regulation. Sometime I started learning preposition. Sometime I started translate voice and narration, but I could not run it for a long time. But today I promise to myself, no, I am not going to spend my life in this way. I should see some transformation. I should bring a huge transformation in my life. When I will spend my life in a same way, so there I will not find any kind of improvement, and I will pass my life in a same way. And I don't like that type of life. So for this reason, I decided no. Whatever I will learn with my consciousness, and whatever I will speak, I will try to speak something good, and whatever I will do, no matter, and I will try to learn it, and I will try to do it with my full concentration and full awareness. Always we think about future, and either we think about our past. We never try to think about our present time. Ki actually, what can I do? My dear friend, so it is my not biggest seek of today. It is my biggest lesson of today. Means do whatever you want, but do it with your full concentration. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.